Hello, fishy fans. Many of you have heard me say that Fishbowl is the master for everything in a Fishbowl QuickBooks universe except the chart of accounts. So, what to do when the chart of accounts changes in QuickBooks? Well, it's as bad as easy peasy as you can get. We just come up here to Accounting tab, Accounting Integration, and in this bottom portion, we have imports to Fishbowl from QuickBooks. We are all familiar with the top portion being exporting our transactions, pushing our transactions to QuickBooks. So you see here, there's lots of different things here that you can import into Fishbowl. Most of these are only used, and I say only used, for database setup. So about the only time you would ever use this wizard outside of database setup is when I've changed the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. So I just check that box and I hit the button, and voila, we have updated all the accounts in Fishbowl inventory. Thank you very much for viewing this video. And we at Terabyte Solutions are a full service Fishbowl support firm. So we would like to help you with your Fishbowl issues. Give us a ring at 949-645-1019 and we will be happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye.